thought of staying in a palace like a king or a queen without having hole in your pocket, then this is the right place for you. Let me present you the Lalita Mahal Palace Hotel. This hotel is situated away from the hassle of the city at a very calm and serene place near famous Chamundi Hills. One can see the Mysuru city from the terrace of the hotel. It is the second largest palace in Mysuru in the Indian state of Karnataka. The palace was built by His Highness Krishna Raja Wodeyar IV, the 24th ruler of the Wodeyar dynasty and the king of Mysore. It was built in 1921 for the exclusive stay of Viceroy of India and the European friends of the king. It was converted into a heritage hotel in 1974. Currently it is maintained by Jungle Lodges and Resorts, a unit of the government of Karnataka. One can fulfill the dream of staying in a palace at very affordable cost now due to slump in demand. Currently many online hotel booking portals are offering this hotel on as low as Rs 2000 per room for one night of stay for two. This heritage hotel has an old wing and a new wing. New wing has modern amenities and most of the rooms has a swimming pool view. But if you want to have a royal experience, then stay in a heritage room which is in the old wing. Backyard of the hotel has a scenic view of Chamundi Hills with a massage center where you can take a session of relaxing massage in the middle of the nature. Its grand ballroom is now converted into the dining hall. It has immensely high ceiling with domed skylights made of Belgian glass. It is now the time to present you the Grand Heritage Room in Old Wing. These rooms have some of the very old collection of paintings from the King's coffer. It has spacious air-conditioned very high ceiling rooms with large washrooms. Hotel continues to use the furniture of the old palace including cupboards, beds, velvet armchairs and Belgian mirrors. You can see the old style bathtub here. By staying in these rooms, one can imagine the royal luxury at old times. So rush and book a stay before the price rises.